Hello guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today, very simply, we're going to be looking at how to animate the B-roll bars on your sequence. Let's have a look. Okay, so we're now inside Adobe Premiere Pro. So to look at start animating these B-roll bars, I've already created a little sequence here. And it pretty much goes from talking across to some cinematic shots. Very simply, first thing I'm going to do is make a adjustment layer. So I'm going to come here to new item. I'm going to go to adjustment layer. Okay, make sure all matches up. And I'm going to drag that across to my timeline. Now I want to make sure this is the same length as my clip. I'm actually going to go a little bit longer to match up with the music. I want the music to come in a little bit before the main clip. So next what we've got to do is go across the crop. So I'm going to drag a crop onto the adjustment layer, go across to effect controls, scroll down to find the crop, and I like to have the B-roll bars as such at around 12% for the top and the bottom. As you can see, that creates these B-roll bars here. So I'm going to set a keyframe by clicking this little clock across here and on the bottom. Now we want to go to the start of the clip and set this keyframe to 0. And then as the music comes in, the bars will come down and lead into the cinematic piece. Okay, that's now finished rendering and it looks a little bit like this.